Ooh, there is nobody here.
KFC Taco Bell, order when you're ready.
Hey, can I get the spicy mac and cheese bowl?
You want the mac and cheese bowl?
Yeah, can you make that spicy, please?
You want the bowl by itself?
Yeah, just a bowl.
Anything else?
Can you add a biscuit also and buffalo ranch sauce?
Anything else?
That's it.
Close the window.
Thank you. Ooh.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
669.
Alright,
There you go.
thanks. It smells good in there. Alright, thank you. Okay, we got our food. They were taking a while. Let me make sure everything is in there, especially a fork. Okay. My biscuit. And where is the sauce? I didn't get no sauce. Should I go back? Fuck. It's just a sauce though. Ooh, juicy crab is right here. You know what? I've never been to a juicy crab. And now I'll for sure never go to one because now I am allergic to freaking seafood. Like, isn't that crazy? Okay. Jesus! You guys, hold on. Okay, where should I park? Yo, what's going on, you guys? It's your girl Drea Rozayyy, bringing you guys another video, and today we're gonna be reviewing the mac and cheese bowl. And I did add a biscuit to that because I didn't think the bowl was gonna be enough, but then I didn't want to get a meal because the biscuit wasn't an option for a side. Or maybe it was and they were just gonna charge me more. I don't know. But I didn't want a soda either. I got my little agüita right here. I'm trying to stay away from soda. So we got the napkins. And of course they forgot my buffalo ranch sauce. Apparently that sauce just came out. So I was pretty excited to try it. But of course they forgot it. Damn, this is a small ass biscuit. So I got my biscuit right here. Ooh, this is heavy. This is nice and hefty. Okay. This is the bowl. It's pretty deep. They didn't forget my fork. Let's go ahead and open this up. It's nice and warm too. Which, speaking of warm, it's warm out here. I'm about to take this coat off. So I was obviously trying to park at the place over there, like at the plaza. But man, like every angle that I would park at, like people could look at me. So I'm like, oh no. So I ended up coming like to my usual spot. But instead of parking at that school, I parked at this church, so hopefully, you know, it's okay to do that. There's literally nobody here and it's nice and quiet, and it's like further from the main street, so there's not that much noise, you know. Ooh, here comes the wind. But this looks good. It looks greasy, but what I'm thinking, that is hot sauce in there. Yeah, it's red. So it's not oil. It's not drenched in oil. Ew, I don't want to spill it, but this is what it's looking like. Y'all see that red sauce? Yummy. Unless they added the buffalo ranch in here, which I don't think so, right? Like, why would they do that? So, oh, I am excited. I am a sucker for mac and cheese. So this smells really good. So what this is a 3-cheese blend, mac and cheese, and spicy chicken nuggets, which the nuggets just came out also, but you know, now they're on the bowl, and shredded cheese on top. Melted shredded cheese, that is. So, oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna be dipping my biscuit in there. Let me try to open this. Oh my god. Okay. She didn't give me a receipt. They never give receipts anymore. I guess you have to like ask for it. But it was something like 6 something, so not bad, I guess. It's a pretty big bowl and plus a biscuit, so cheers guys. Let's go in for the first bite. I'm gonna try to get mac and cheese with some of that sauce and a nugget. Okay, this is what it's looking like. Cheers. Whew. Okay, that is spicy. Okay, definitely did not need that ranch sauce. Well, that buffalo ranch sauce. Maybe some ranch would have been good. Mmm. Look at that. Oh, baby. Yo, that's spicy. But it's good. And the nuggets are definitely small. But, you know, they're like a good bite size. Okay. Whew. I need a sip of water because, jeez. It's not overly spicy, but it does kind of stab your tongue. Mmm. The nuggets, of course, are fried. But they got really good flavor. Mmm. Alright, let's go ahead and dip the biscuit. Wait, let me make some room for it. I'm like wondering, what is that sauce in the bottom of the bowl? Is that just like grease? Because it's very red, but I don't know. Maybe it's the spicy sauce? Mm. Okay, maybe it is oil. Oh my god, that is so freaking good. Mmm. Yeah. They got something going on here. Mmm. Oh, fuck, it's spicy. They did give me several nuggets in here, so that's good. It was basically all covered in nuggets on top, so. Oh my goodness. If you get the spicy one, you definitely have to be a spice lover, because this is not just a regular, like, tiny bit of spice. It's actually pretty spicy. So if you can't handle the heat, do not get this one. Get the regular. Mmm. Yo. I'm like glad I'm doing this. Recently, these past videos that I've made, I think this has been the best one. Flavored wise, like. It is nice and creamy and cheesy. Like, look at this. Oh, my biscuit's gone. Here, let's eat it with some mac and cheese. Yeah. Don't y'all think I forgot about that giveaway though. By the way, thank you guys so much for commenting and liking my videos and subscribing. Thank you guys. You guys are awesome. Let me just show you guys the nuggets. Like I said, it's like a good bite size, but definitely smaller than like McDonald's or Burger King. Anyone else likes to peel the skin before eating the nugget? When I eat nuggets, I peel the skin first. Like literally, I get that nugget butt naked and then I eat it. Last bite, y'all. This is definitely my meal for the day, because oh my god, there's a guy coming over here. He's gonna probably say to move. Oh my god, he's coming. Oh, I think he just came to see what I was doing. He probably thought I was doing drugs. Sir, I am only eating. Yeah, he definitely came to see what I was doing. Man, I thought this was a perfect spot to do this at. Good thing I was done. I was like ready to leave. Oh my god, that was so good, guys. That was so satisfying, so delicious, so spicy, so crunchy, so creamy. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm so full. Alright, so definitely that bowl, I give it a freaking 10. Definitely really freaking good. The pasta's like well cooked. It was juicy, it was creamy. Oh my god, it was really good. Definitely recommend, guys, pick that up ASAP, because I do believe this is only here temporarily. So so guys, on last week I did tell you guys I was doing a giveaway, so I'm gonna go ahead and announce the winner right here. Drum roll please. And the $50 cash giveaway goes to this person right here. Thank you so much for supporting your girl and showing me some love. So now just message me on my Instagram or comment on this video to confirm so I can send you this money. Congratulations. I feel like I kind of lost my voice, guys. That was spicy. But I'm good now. I'm good. I got this. I can handle this spice, I think. So guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I do post Tuesdays and Thursdays, but very soon I am gonna switch out my schedule to probably Wednesdays and Sundays. I'm still not too sure, but for now it's gonna still be Tuesdays and Thursdays. Also hit that bell button, that way you guys get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.